welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope we are fine. Thank you so much for coming to watch my video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much and I appreciate you all. God bless you. To my new subscribers, you are highly welcome. God bless you for always coming back to watch my video. Guys, in my today's video, I'm going to react for a video I saw on Facebook that is flying all over, even on YouTube. Everywhere you think of, this video is flying around. Normally, I don't interfere in things like this, but this one really gets me angry. Seeing the way people were reacting to this video, this particular video I'm going to, react to now. Because this my video is Operation Mind Your Business. You understand? So, this video I'm reacting to now, a man died on live video while calling, on somebody on live video, was talking about this woman. Everybody know Monica Lobolobo. So, they are fighting on social media with Lolo and all those things. So there was two best friends later turned against each other. 10 years friendship, they turn up to be fighting against each other, exposing each other, doing a lot of things to themselves, to their kids, everything. They don't even mind. So this thing now, you come along that Lolo accused Monica that the son of Monica is not the husband is not the biological father. This story have come viral, have come far. Even draw the man that she said he's the owner. The man came to social media, said he's not the biological father of this boy. And everybody on social media have been asking Monica to go and do DNA test to prove that the husband is the biological father. And Monica refused, said, "You people are not my family, you are not my relative, you are not my anything, you don't even have the right to ask me such thing because my husband have a family, I also have a family." They are the people that are supposed to ask me this thing you people are asking. No, our people say no, now we be the Okaigbe, now we be the in-law, now we be the social media in-law, now we be the family. The whole thing went and they was fighting each other. This one will come attack, the other one will attack. She is also, whatever I'm seeing she's doing, she's bring herself as a one-man squad. You understand? Whatever she's doing, I'm not saying she's innocent. I'm not also saying she's a bad person. Because I like viewing the whole thing on two angles. I don't realize on one place the way most of our Benin people, when you see the way they judge things, once they have it in head, they don't hate you, nothing you will do. This thing, I hate Benin people for this. Once Benin people hate somebody, no matter what you will do to please them, even though they did not even see you with their own eyes, as long as somebody they love said that word that come out from that person's mouth, they will hate that person. They will not even want to hear the other story. They will want to kill that person because they believe so. They will say, okay, if this person is like, what of the other person? Because this thing have gone viral. There is no way the truth will portray that thing. Many people, people have to change from this thing. I don't even like that character. When I see it, I always run away. For people that always having one thinking, especially when you are not there when the thing happens, you know, see with your eye. This man called on live video. Guys, I will leave you guys to watch this video. Let's watch the video before I continue my talk. Okay.
Who can battle with the Lord? Who can battle with the Lord? Who can battle with the Lord? I say nobody. This one, they say na good news. This one are breaking news. I'm having me gonna there. Oh yeah. Make I show my I just did this evening, my people. Somebody just run, call me. Monica. Enter live video. Go. In the yeah. What knowing? What's knowing? Why they turn out? Wait till they talk. Why am I there? This one dead friend. My sister, they go. Now I say where? He said YouTube. Now go there. As I don't really reach there, I just see that they cry. But the video they say good news. I say, why is your quick good news about crime? What do you say it happened? Now I say me at the recon me at the see rest in peace. Oh, rest in peace. My people, now I hear the woman say, make I play and begin. Me I play and begin. Oh yeah, me I play with you, I go here. The person, as he just talk the thing finish, he just die. Person call for live video, he just die. Why baby bunny the mona hear what they talk when he die? And the person say good news. Me understand because me I not be the person where the two more happy say bad thing happen, but the person where put the thing, he said now good news. Me they what to put judge me nothing. My people, my lovely people, now they here. Oh yeah, come on, listen. They want to quickly record for each side. Oh yeah,
You guys just see what just happened. This man called on live video. We were talking to that woman that rubbed father on her neck. That this woman, her own son, her husband is not the biological father. That she should take the son to the rightful father. They should stand on ground on this thing. That was what he was saying. That people, there are some people that is doing live video. They know the truth. They don't want to stay. They should do this one. You were just talking. If you talk, you die. If you not talk, you die. You were just saying that. Just imagine somebody problem and you are having kidney problem. You have not taken care. Carry somebody matapo for head. Operation, mind your business. What happened? You might just die on live video. Can you imagine? Then this woman and someone rushed to call her. She comes see Suleiman, recipe. Imagine when you are inside house, someone will come and call you, say, come and see you. Person die for your matter. Why try to disgrace you for public? People are now saying that what she did is wrong. She's not supposed to do that. You should respect the dead. Are you people kidding me? Are you serious? Benin people, na so na be. Benin people, na so na be. This is one character I hate for Benin. When they hate somebody, even though you are the right, whether you right or you know concern me, once they hate that person, they don't even want to know, even though the person is dying. They don't care. That person must go down. Someone that come on live video, we're talking bad of somebody. The story, they don't even know how it happened because you hear people saying it. You were having your disease. You didn't even take care of it. As I'm talking now, somebody will say now, see the way we are talking, the man is dead now. But you people will not pick the sense of this is a message to people that is interfering in their problem will not be their own. People where they interfere for waiting not be their own. This is a message for now. Wakirewo be winner. People are no verse so say they speak my language. When you carry somebody matapu for head, now waiting be this one. You people have children. And just imagine parents. You people have children. You will carry someone's child like this, be beaten all the time. You will not even think of those children future. After all, the mother did not think, make we just scatter everywhere. That is not the thing we people they do. Very annoyingly. That's the way people they do. They don't care whether you are dying. As long as they don't hate you, they don't hate you. There is nothing you do to please them. Even though say you change, they will not be seeing you. Let me even ask this question. If it is true that this woman did what you are accusing, did you people think you are the rightful person to, tell her to go and do what you are asking her? Someone have already finished having her children before she enters social media. Because of having saga with her best friend now. They come along using different things. Your father sleep with you. This one not do this one. The other one not do this one. I see you with another man. I see you. Una way no dey there. Una won't carry. No, make the matter finish for grand though. Because the way you people carry that matter for head, that's why this matter refused to finish. Imagine to the extent someone died on live video on this same issue. Chai. It is a painful death. It is very painful. And yet, you people are not even seeing it. You are still saying she did not have right to rejoice. That thing she's doing is bad. Are you kidding me? Are you serious? Someone is just on her own. Person carry matter carry enter live video. They say he became not being husband became. Do you know they are destroying that boy image? The boy future they discover am like that. We are parents, so you carry your pikin enter house, you cover her, you dey discover another person on. This is very unfair of Benin people. This character Benin people get, it is very bad. Most Benin people have this thing. Once they hate you, you have nothing to do, whether you change. Even though you are even guilty of what they are accusing you, or you are not even guilty, they don't even care. They have hate you, they have hate you. Now, this woman now, she's not the bad person though. Not who carry her matter go social media. Now, the one where they call inside house, say, come, see what they happen. Now, that woman now, I come, now that woman now, I come be the bad person. the one that carry matter come they say the pikin no be your pikin, go carry go this and go carry go give papa. No, because the man died now, they should respect the man. For what? Who says so? My enemy shall perish in hell. Because anybody that said that we will not see sleep, we are praying for our enemy to see our progress. But if somebody now said that he will not have sleep, imagine we're having kidney problem, you did not even take care of your kidney problem, you went ahead and be calling, then you people are now blaming Monica. Why now? Why will you blame that woman? I say I have to react to this video. Benin people, stop siding, thinking one side. If now Monica die, now for the whole audio platform for the shake, because now one kill the woman. Edo when na gbema wu ari zobo. Na gbema wu wa zobo. When you don't try to they carry one person will carry one person matter. From January to December, you will see our people will keep talking. Every platform you log in, one same person for what? Does that mean you people don't have something good to talk about yourself? You open your platform for Monica. How many people open platform for Monica? Just because you people feel she's doing bad and you want to come and correct. Go and look at yourself. Think about your life. How your life be before you say you want to correct another person. This is the character we Benin people have. We don't look at ourselves. See this man and you don't look about your health. You want to go judge person matter. God can't disgrace you for life. You say, make the woman not happy. There Benin people, make una take una time. Some Benin people, some is not everybody. Guys, this is my own opinion about this whole thing. It's not going to end here because I'm coming back again for this video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Sorry if you have not seen me before. Things like this make me to go angry. If I don't like people that is biased, they lie like, hey, why is the person don't die now? Somebody became that they carry like this. You understand, my people? Sorry if you see me in this bad mood because I'm really upset when I see things like this. God bless you for watching this video. Share this video. Make all these Benin people where they think one side, make they receive sense. Some of them even go school, but they don't get brain. Thank you so much. God bless you as you watch this video. See you on my next video. Bye. Love you all.